Hello everyone, welcome to another Shopify tutorial video. In this tutorial video, I will show you how to change the continue to payment button text in Shopify checkout. Now, before we get started, you can get a 3-month free trial with our links down below. So if you want to start your Shopify store for absolutely free for 3 months, you can check out all of the links below. Now, how can you actually do this? So as you can see, first what you want to do is you want to go to online store themes and you want to go to the edit code from your current theme. Now, please be aware that customizing the text on your checkout page could result in decreased conversions. Obviously, this is just a pro tip from this website, but as you can see right here, what you want to do is you want to find the templates folder and click on add a new template. From there, you will choose a checkout page as a template type and give it a name, example, custom checkout page. Now, this is what you can do right here and then just click done. Now, once you created your custom template, you can add any content you like using HTML editor. Now, how can you do this? So when you're happy with your custom template, save it and go to settings, go to checkout and go to order processing. Now, as you can see right here, you can edit all of the text based on the checkout page. As you can see, you can change the continue to payment gateway right here. As you can see, button text, so you can just add something else. So there are a few different ways that you can add a custom text to your checkout page on Shopify, depending on what you want to achieve. Again, you can either edit the checkout language settings in your Shopify admin or create a custom checkout page template. Both methods will require some knowledge of HTML and CSS. So once you go here, you will be able to edit the continue to payment gateway, complete your purchase title, redirecting notice, redirecting title, and redirecting page title as well. So hopefully this video is useful to you. Again, you can check out our links down below if you want to opt in for a 3-month free trial, and comment down below if you have any issues regarding this topic. So thank you guys for watching.